How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I have few products that I'm going to test, especially this one. This company ZUZZEE, they have some LEDs. I want to show you on this episode the difference on the two LEDs that I have with me right now. Same company, same lights, H11, but let me show you the difference and why you have to choose the correct light for your vehicle. Recommendation to use this type for the fog lights, which is the small one, and also it can with white gloves and instructions. So quality is here. As you can see, these ones, they don't have fan. This one is not gonna make any noise, because if you have LEDs with fan, they do tend to be kind of noisy, but it doesn't bother me. I don't think it's gonna bother anybody, the fan running. But this is the one that you need to choose if you have fog lights. The design, if you can see, it's a little bulky on the front. This is gonna be the correct one to use on fog lights. Right now on my vehicle I have LEDs on the fog lights, but they are the ones for the headlights, so they're super bright. I'm glad that I get these ones now, because I'm gonna change the ones that I have right now in the vehicle on the fog lights, because I know they're bright. Like I say, it's bulky, so that's gonna help you. It's not gonna be super bright. It's like on the regular headlights, when they have the little cover on front of the bulb. That's the same concept. Still, this is 8,000 lumens LEDs. These LEDs, they have full intelligent chip temperature control system, fanless design, like I said before, no noise, and they have the perfect beam pattern. When you put these LEDs on the car, the light is not gonna go everywhere. The pattern is gonna be just directly. It's gonna be a perfect beam. I'm gonna put these ones on the fog lights, replace the ones that I have currently, and I'm gonna do the difference between the regular bulb, how it looks, because this is the one that I have in the vehicle with my fog lights, and I'm gonna use these ones. I don't want to use the ones that I have right now in it, because they're too bright. This is the design for fog lights, and this flat design, really narrow, is for headlights. So let me start working on the car. The only thing that I need to do to get to the fog light is remove the wheel well liner and go inside to remove the ones that I have right now, and I'm gonna put these ones, and I'm gonna show you the difference. On this RAV4 you have 3 bolts underneath, 1 bolt right here, 1 on top, 2 clips, and you can move the cover a little bit just to give you space. Let me see, hopefully you can see this right in there. This is the ones that I have. Like I told you, I don't recommend this type for fog lights. This is the connector for my fog lights. Hopefully you can see it right there. Connect it, put it in place. See right there, that's the fog light. Make sure that you twist it. On my case, to get it loose is you turn it clockwise and you remove it. In some cases it's the other way around, so you gotta turn it counterclockwise to secure it in place. You barely see the original on, but look at the new ones, super bright. 8,000 lumens for the new fog lights, and the ones that I had before, it was a little bit brighter, but they're super good. I'm gonna close the garage door so you can see the beam pattern, but still I'm gonna drive tonight so you can see some shots at night. When I say that the beam pattern is perfect, look at that. On the original one, you see how it's scattered everywhere, but these new LEDs, the projection is just perfect. That's a new LED, and that's the regular bulb. Projection is everywhere. Beam pattern over there is just perfect. That's why I recommend this light. Construction is really well made. You can see right there. Now I'm gonna replace that one. Same process. And tonight you're gonna see how they look. Installation is done. You can see the headlights and right below them the fog lights. That's the fog lights on only. And that's the fog lights alone. So let's see how they look on the road. This is all the lights on. That's fog lights only. Really bright. That's without fog lights. The fog lights just complement everything. You see that on the road? Armadillo. Wow. And now I know why when you don't have fog lights, visibility is good, but it can be better. Check the link in the description if you want to get a pair of these ones, and stay tuned for the H11's headlights that I'm about to do in a few days. I hope you like this little episode, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.